guys, tonight I add new features to our alarm clock, and I will now show what functionality we have. Okay, this is the standard time, but it's every 30 seconds will be changed, and will be show also date, today date, and month. Let's wait, please. Okay, 31 and June. Okay, now with my button I will control and go to, first of all I will change the form, just change this menu, clicking. Okay, now I see date. Okay, I see alarm is off. This is the alarm time, and it's automatically changing. I'm not clicking now, nothing, just showing it is alarm is not set, just off. Okay, if I want to play the let's say demonstrate how it's working, I click in the first button. Okay, I don't want it. Okay, now I click in second button. It is like setting menu. Wait. Okay, first of all here I can change time, plus, minus. Okay, I don't want it. Click another time. You see date, this is year, we can change also year. Another time. Okay, now I see 31 June. Okay, for example, I don't want to change now. Okay, I don't want to also change the number of the month. This is the alarm time. If I want to change, for now I don't want. Okay, alarm is off. Here also I can change off or on. Okay, on, off, on, off. When it will be on, it means alarm will be set. Age, that means change the format. We have this format or 24. Okay, what is this? This is when I changing, I don't know in video is visible, but this red numbers changing the brightness. Okay, you see we have the maximum 7. Okay, this is the volume. If I will set in minimum, it will be very low, but it have very deep sound also. Okay, we have the file. This is the changing the sound. For now here only set one sound, but you can change which sound you want. This is the light function. Here you can change how lighting will be work. Okay, okay, just fade. Okay, this is the change how to say set showing in main screen data or off. When it's on, it means every 30 seconds will be show data, but if you don't want, for example, you can off and always will be show time. Okay, okay, demo button and reset. If you want something, reset everything and it will be like default settings, and just you need to click reset and that's all. This is our time, and we have the here easily on or off. On, off. What's you think about new updates? Please write a comment.